have a challenge for you. I say the word tension, and what immediately comes to mind? I say tension, you think of what? Now, I don't know the word or the image that came to mind for you. I'd be willing to bet, though, it was negative. I've asked that same question to tens of thousands of professionals all over the world, and the vast majority of people, over 90% of the time, associate tension with things like stress, interpersonal conflict, dysfunction, headaches, shoulder pain. We assume tension is bad, and as a result, we do one of two things. We either avoid it or we ignore it. And let's be clear, there's lots of forms of tension, both at work and in life, that are negative and we should stay away from. But I invite you to suspend your judgment about the word tension just for a moment. What if there was another form of tension? A positive force that could boost personal effectiveness, strengthen relationships, and unify teams. I call this healthy tension. And here's the thing, these tensions are unavoidable both at home and at work. To be great communicators, we need to be truthful and candid, and at the same time, we have to be tactful and diplomatic. In our teams, if we want to be freed up to be productive and engaged, we need to be task-focused. And yet to build trust and psychological safety, we need to be relationship-focused. In our organizations, if we want a competitive edge, we need to embrace change and innovation, and yet to be good at something, to be known for something, we have to preserve stability and tradition. And personally, you don't want to just get by trying to find work-life balance. No, you want to thrive both at work and at home. The secret to achieving all these goals is to stop avoiding or ignoring tension and instead learn to embrace it. In a world that's becoming more polarized and divided, where people just want to pick sides, you can tap into the superpower of both and thinking. The Power of Healthy Tension offers a simple 4-step framework that will allow you to navigate complexity and paradox and conflicting values with skill and confidence. The research is clear. Professionals, teams, organizations that stop avoiding or ignoring tension and instead lean into it, learn to embrace it, they outperform everyone around them.